Okay, this is the elevator that takes House of Sports here at International Plaza in Tampa. And we have a Schindler. And here it comes. And here it is. What is that thing? One. And here we are. Let's close the door before I get a copyright. Yep, door close works. We like that. It is a pretty nice elevator. Here are the buttons. Here's the phone. Okay, so this goes at, oh, it's a counterweight thing. 3,500 pounds. There's your certificate. Now let's head back up to 2. And we'll wrap this up on 1. And here we are, back at the first floor. Now the chime doesn't work. And there it goes, and that'll be it.